welcome back to my channel. So how to prepare for NEET MDS from 1st of June. I have already shared a complete schedule with you guys. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you how to plan your each day. Okay, how can you read 6 to 10 hours in a day? Because to achieve our bigger goals, we should start preparing on our daily goals. Okay, your small goals, your daily goals, you should achieve it each and every day. You have to work with the same consistency for the coming 5 to 6 months to achieve your goal and your dream rank. One more thing I want to share with you is, guys, this time is very crucial and it is very important. Do not waste it on things which doesn't matter. Okay, right now what matters to you the most is your career, your future, and it is your responsibility. Now you guys are almost graduates, right? So now it is your responsibility to make your parents proud, to make yourself proud, and to get admission into your dream branch and your dream college. So whenever you get stuck with negative thoughts or you feel like, oh, I'm very tired, I cannot do this anymore, you have to push yourself. Okay, this happens with everyone, with every aspirant who is preparing for NEET MDS. But just remember one thing, that every day you have to give your best. So for that, you require a routine which you can follow easily every day. Okay, so that is what I'm going to share in this video. I hope this will help you all. Please hit the like button if this video helps you and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Before we dive quickly into this video, I want to share with you regarding a crash course by Focus Dentistry. So if you have not opted or joined any online coaching, and if you want to prepare for NEET MDS sincerely, from mid of July, then here is your chance. Let me share the highlights of this crash course very quickly. So they'll be providing you materials and synopsis to prepare each and every subject with, some important topics and highly relevant topics which can be asked in NEET. Secondly, there will be online classes, live classes, okay, not just the recorded videos, but there will be live classes twice or thrice in a week, and every Sunday you have to appear for that particular subject test. Okay, so this is how the module is, and the more details of this crash course are in the description box below, and you will get 20% discount. Being the Dentowoman family, you just have to apply the promo code Dentowoman. Okay, and also I'm sharing here the contact number of the student coordinator. If you have any queries or if you want to talk anything, you can directly contact to this number, or you can WhatsApp on this number. So the daily schedule or daily routine which I am sharing in this video consists of 6 to 10 hours. Okay, 6 hours is your minimum number and 10 hours is your maximum number, but there is no limit to maximum, of course. But whatever the schedule which I am sharing in this video, you can easily follow it and cover 6 to 10 hours from your day. Okay, but one thing remember here is, even on your worst day you have to give 5 to 6 hours to your studies. Okay, this kind of dedication is what I want from all of you. So the first step is to plan your day. Okay, either in your journal or in your NEET MDS planner, you have to write your study goals. Okay, what you will study in week 1 of that particular month, week 2, week 3 and week 4. Then on each particular day, which subject you will read and what topics of that particular subject you are going to read. All these things should be written. Then and then you will be able to achieve it, and you can bring consistency. So after planning the day starts our first session of the morning, which is of 4 hours. Okay, so in the first session of your morning, I recommend that you study the subject which is very lengthy or it is very difficult to grasp. Like here I am doing oral pathology and medicine, and I'll be reading developmental disturbances today in the morning 4 hours. So while solving the MCQs, make this habit of marking those MCQs which are difficult for you. Okay, so that this will help you while revising. This will really ease out your work. So mark all the chapters of the subjects which you have read, the difficult questions. Okay, now how to solve an MCQ? Like here I am solving this question number 6. Okay, and then I'm referring to the explanation of this question, and I feel that this I might forget it. So that particular explanation I'm noting down in my own words, and like that I'm creating my own notes of all the subjects at a single place. Okay, Few students make this mistake of making too many notes and too many different books for different subjects, but I recommend that keep it very simple, keep it very minimal. This will help you at the end. Also, you can mark all the important explanation in your pulse itself, okay, and also create mnemonics wherever it is required. It will help you to remember it and retain it. After a session of 1.5 or 2 hours, take a small break and rejuvenate yourself. So here we are post lunch for our session number 2, and here I am taking the subject which is very small and easy to learn for me. So here I am studying oral anatomy, okay. Post lunch we usually feel kind of lazy, so it is always advisable to keep easier subjects which do not require much attention. So after 2 hours of reading, you can go for a light walk or incorporate some exercises. Soon after the exercise, you can quickly revise what you have read in the day, and then you can go for your dinner. Daily small efforts of revision can really help you retain what you have read, and this is what we want for a national level examination, right? Now is your last session post dinner, which is of 8 to 10 p.m. This is the most ideal schedule which I have given. You can customize it in your way at what time you take lunch and dinner. Accordingly you can plan, but this is how you can study 6 to 8 hours a day. And yes, soon after completing your day, just check that how many tasks you have completed in a day and what you could not and what you will do tomorrow. Apart from studying, eat healthy and stay healthy. Surround yourself with positive people and sleep with gratitude.